story goes, little hope but bigger dreams.
Hey ONESMARTFROs, it's me, Gina, and in this video I am going to be sharing with you guys some of my staple natural hair products. Some hair products that I have to keep in my hair regimen because these are the products that I feel like work for my hair. I trust them, and they are what got my hair to be where it is. And now I feel like when I started using these products, that's when I started to see a complete turnaround when it comes to my natural hair. And then these are also products that when I look at my stash, these are products that I have purchased over and over again. And while other products that I like, I enjoy, at the end of the day, I compare them to these products, and that's probably why they don't get repurchased. Now, I say that to say that does not mean any video that in the past that I've tried products and I raved about does not mean I did not like them. It's just that when you're somebody who tries a lot of products and reviews and things like that, it's just physically impossible to repurchase all these products all over again. But these products are the products that I'm willing to repurchase over again because I don't want to sacrifice these products good. So don't take this as something that all the other products that I've mentioned before that I liked means I was lying or anything like that, because that is not the case. And I'm sure that there are going to be products that I try in the future that maybe they kick some of these products out, or maybe they're ends up being in this stash. But for right now, these are the products that I find myself always repurchasing because they are just solid products that I know always works. Yeah, before we get into this video, if you have not joined our SmartFro family, make sure you hit the subscription button as well as the notification button so you don't miss out on any new uploads. And let's get into it. So the first set of products is actually going to be the whole line, and that is Algebra Beauty. I have literally all their products but the gel, and that is because I'm out of the gel. So I have all of them here, as you can see. Algebra Beauty is literally the only full line that I have purchased twice. Normally when I purchase a full line, I pick and choose my favorites from the line, and then I just purchase the favorites after that. Literally every Algebra Beauty product is worth it. I've repurchased all of these products with my own money. I repurchased the oil. Who's repurchasing oil? Like, let's be honest, but this oil is that good and it's worth the repurchase. And so this is like my fourth bottle of Algebra Beauty's deep conditioner, to the point I stopped playing myself and just started getting the 16-ounce one because I was like, you know what, this is always used. I need to just buy the bigger one because I love it that much. And you know what, the best thing about Algebra Beauty is now they're going to Sephora. And so for all the people who complained about shipping, you don't gotta complain about shipping anymore. They're gonna be at Sephora, which means when I run out of stuff, I can just go to Sephora and get it. Because what I would do was, when I would run out of Algebra Beauty, I would wait until I run out of other stuff of Algebra Beauty so I can buy it all at once. But now I don't have to do that anymore. So yes, you guys know how I feel about Algebra Beauty. It is just hands down a very, very good brand. And I'm so proud that they're in Sephora, because that is the one thing that they always said. They was like, they see their products in Sephora and they manifest that shit. And now they're in Sephora. The next set of products is going to be from Camille Rose. Camille Rose is definitely one of those brands where it is the first brand of natural hair products that I realized that I need to use better ingredients. And so Camille Rose will always have a special place in my heart because it is just one of those brands that opened my eyes that there are better products out there. Now, I say this to say, I feel like I have tried pretty much all the lines of Camille Rose, but Camille Rose has a lot of products, and so I'm not going to repurchase every single product. So I only repurchase the products that are tried and true, and those are the Camille Rose Almond J Twisting Butter, and then the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk. These are staple products. They've been in my natural hair journey since I went natural and I was introduced to these. These are like my 4th or 5th purchase of these. Camille Rose, if you're watching this video, if you ever change the formula of these 2 products, we beefing, because this is just so good. And I feel like, granted, her other lines are good, but just none of her other lines top these 2 products. Like, none of the stylers top these 2 products. If you agree with me, let me know in the comments down below. Another Camille Rose product that I like, it is my first time using it, but I know it's going to be a repurchase, is the Clean Rinse Moisturizing Clarifying Shampoo. Again, this is just a shampoo that I realized my shampoos probably wasn't clarifying my hair enough. And so I really, really like this one. It's moisturizing enough that you can kind of detangle your hair when you apply it, but it's clarifying enough. It's going to get rid of that gunk, the minerals and hard water stuff that's on your hair. And it's bomb. So this is another free purchase from Camille Rose. Now, another staple styler set for me is going to be the Kalahari Smoothie Leave-In and the Twisted Definition from Curl Dynasty. These products are so bomb. Now, I know I said earlier Algebra Beauty is the first line and the only line that I've purchased all their products. I have purchased all of their products twice, maybe not. My second set time getting these products, I got them because they were on sale. But if I was to ever repurchase these products, these are the 2 products that I will get. The only time I would repurchase the full line is if the full line is on sale. But if it's not on sale, these are the 2 products I will get. These are the 2 products that I will always repurchase. I don't need a sale for me to repurchase these products. These products also can be found at select Targets now, so that is always a plus. So now these 2 products are definitely more accessible, which I know a lot of you guys want to try this brand, and I highly recommend you try this brand. Like, these 2 products are bae, and that's why they're staples. Another staple product for me, and this is a newer product, but I can just tell based off when I purchased this product and how much of this product I've used, that this is going to be a staple, and that is the Trey Luxe Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream. I talked about this video on my current favorites. Bomb. I probably only have enough to do one more hairstyle with this product, but I am definitely going to repurchase this product. I'll probably knock out a few more stylers before I repurchase it, but this definitely earns its spot at the top of my shelf where I keep those products that I use all the time, because it is that good and I really love it. Highly recommend you try this 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream from Trey Luxe if you have not. Now, another staple product, which is definitely a cheaper product, is going to be from Trader Joe's, and it is the Tea Tree Tingling Conditioner. I've been using this bad boy since the beginning of my hair journey. It is just a good co-wash, and you know, now that Diva Curl has had its issues, I'm just gonna go back to using this. You know, I did like the Diva Curl conditioners, but you know, I like my hair better, so I'm just gonna go back to using this. I think this is like my 4th bottle of this, and like I said, I only stopped because I was using the Diva Curl to co-wash, but I'm just gonna go back to using this to co-wash because it's a staple. It works. It's way cheaper. It's like $3. So now, another good product is from Obia Naturals that is a staple for me, is the Curl Moisture Cream. Now, you guys know I have raved about Obia Naturals plenty of times on my channel, and that does not mean I do not dislike the other products. However, when I really sit down and think about the products that I will repurchase, especially when I compare them with some of the stylers that I just mentioned, this is the only product from them that I want to repurchase. I absolutely love this leave-in. It goes with everything, and it doesn't have any ingredients that is going to do my hair wrong. And so this is definitely that product from them that I will repurchase. I actually have 2 of these in my stash because this is like my go-to leave-in. If I'm not using the Curl Love, I'm using this as a leave-in because I love them. They're so good. And then for definers, curl definers, I only really have one staple curl definers. You guys know I am not a wash and go type person, so for me, what I find myself always going back to when I want to do a wash and go is the Long and Luxe Curl Enhancing Smoothie Curl Defining Cream. This is my 3rd one of these. It just works. It pairs well with Eco Styler gels. It pretty much, like, it just works. I get really good wash and go results. My wash and go feels moisturized longer than usual, and so this is just a curl defining cream that I use. Like I said, I'm not a wash and go person, so you're not going to really find too many curl definers for me, so I just use what works, and it comes in a 16-ounce jar, so I get my money's worth. So let's talk deep conditioners. You guys know your girl loves her some deep conditioners. Your girl got a drawer full of deep conditioners, but these are the deep conditioners that I find myself always repurchasing. Even after I try other deep conditioners, I always like, man, I need, like, I know when this deep conditioner isn't in my stash because I need it. So the first deep conditioner that I have is the Afrotastic Curl Elastic Deep Conditioning Treatment. First product from Soultanicals that I've ever tried, and I absolutely love. This thing is a bomb. It's so good. Absolutely love it. It just always does my hair right. I think I've purchased this like 4 times. I have 2 of these right now because I do kind of go through them fairly quickly, but they are so good and it's so worth it. Now, another new recent staple that I knew was going to be a staple when I first tried this product is the Soultanical Chebe Ginger Super Deep Conditioner, which looks like this. You guys have heard me talk about this product. I did feature this product in a wash and style. This is just another really good deep conditioner from Soultanicals, and honestly, out of all the products of Soultanicals that I try, I do have a few more Soultanical deep conditioners that I need to try, but the ones that I've tried don't live up to these, and these are the ones that I want to repurchase. And y'all be taking these so fast, so you got to be quick with these because y'all know how good these are because they always sold out. Now, the next deep conditioner that I have, which is probably the OG deep conditioner because it is probably the most purchased deep conditioner in my hair stash, is the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. Now, I know this has some silicone in it, but this is some good silicone right here. This deep conditioner is so good. Matter of fact, I feel like it's been a few weeks since I used this one, so for next wash day, I think it's time to pull this bad boy out because it's good. I love this deep conditioner. Now, the next deep conditioner is also kind of like the Trey Luxe deep product. I know it's a staple because of how much I've used it, and that is the Mielle Babassu Mint Deep Conditioner. I don't know if you guys know this, but Babassu is like one of my favorite ingredients when it comes to my natural hair. And when you put mint with it, it just does my hair good. But love this stuff from Mielle. I purchased 3 of these, and this is my last one. So that should tell you how I feel about this product. So definitely a staple product, definitely something that I will keep in my stash. I do think it is a great alternative for the Algebra Beauty deep conditioner. Now, I'm gonna be honest, it's not better than the Algebra Beauty deep conditioner, but it's a good alternative for the Algebra Beauty deep conditioner. And then I think this is my last deep conditioner that I have, and that is the Miche Beauty Strength Protein Deep Conditioner. This is my 3rd one of these. I love this deep conditioner. It's bigger than the Indulge. You might like the Indulge deep conditioner, but you ain't really tried a deep conditioner till you tried this one. You think you like the Indulge deep conditioner? Try this one. And you is not going to be purchasing the Indulge deep conditioner like that. You're going to start purchasing this one. This is definitely the superior deep conditioner from that line. So now the last 3 products are gels, and we're just going to keep it honest. Say what you want about these gels. They don't have the best ingredients, but they are staples, and they are the most purchased gels in my hair stash. We got the Wet Lime and Stream Gel. We got the Eco Styler Gel Argan Oil and the Eco Styler Gel Olive Oil. I've tried a lot of Eco Styler gels, but these two are the Eco Styler gels that I always purchase. So always keep these on deck. They help for slick ponytails. You guys know I don't really do my edges like that. This is typically, you get what you get with me when it comes to like sleek styles. And these products just always work. I always keep them on deck no matter what new Eco Styler gel comes out. Really like this. Wet Line is definitely one of the newer of the gels. I definitely foresee myself purchasing this over Eco Styler gel because I feel like I get better results with this gel, but it's still a really good gel and it's a staple gel. So yeah, those are some of my staple hair products. These are products that I am using in between filming. These are products that you will always find these products in my stash, because these are the products that I go to when I don't feel like having a bad hair day or anything like that. When I'm like, listen, I don't have time to be trying products that may not work. These are what always works for me. I feel like these are what keeps my hair healthy. And yeah, let me know what are some of your staple hair products down in the box below. I will link some videos that you may find interesting if you like this video right here, and I will see you guys in my next video.